Yo, what's up guys, it's Cinou here and welcome back to a brand new video. I know it's been a while, but here I'm back. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can make a really cool outro, an animated outro that's going to look really cool. And what's cool about it is that you can make it in a really short amount of time, and it's really important to get an outro to get more viewers toward other videos. So without being said, let's get going. Alright, so today we're going to be using KineMaster, which is this video editor. If you guys don't own it, go ahead and download it from the description below. It's totally free. So once you guys done that, go ahead and just import on an empty project any background you want. So I got this dark background, which I think looks pretty dope. Once you do that, go ahead to the beginning of the video and hit on layer, media, and then head over to backgrounds and choose any background. And of course you can change the color of the background. I'm going for the dark and red theme, so for this I'm going to be going for a really dark red, and you can just change it and adjust it however you want. So what I'm doing is that I'm tilting it right over here and I'm going to move it to the side just like this. So once that's done, once you like it, you need to make sure that your layer right over here takes the whole project. So let's go ahead and stretch it out till it's gonna reach the end of the video. And for the second step, what you want to do is to press on that key button on your left and then move the timeline to something below a second. I'm going for 0.8. I think something like 0.8 is fine. Then press on that button right there and then you just created a keyframe. Now go ahead and go back to the beginning of your project and get this background and just slide it off your screen just like this. And as you can see, we just created this really smooth animation with those simple tricks. So now once that's done, all you have to do next is to go ahead and just add another background. Once again, it can be any background because we are going to change the color anyway. So I'm going to try to get the exact same color, maybe something similar to it. I think this is pretty fine, yeah. And now this is the logo holder. So to change the shape, go ahead and hit on cropping and hit on mask. And as you can see, what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and grab one of those corners and just drag it to the middle. And as you can see, now we have a circle. Now place it wherever you want your logo to be. I'm gonna put it on the bottom right corner right over here. I think this looks pretty good. And then you're gonna go ahead and just do the same thing just like we did with the background. Create a keyframe, take it back, and then just move it off the screen. And as you can see, we have this animation. This looks pretty good in my opinion. You don't have to just mimic the exact same animation that I did. You can go and get more creative and try to create something different if you want. Now for the text, you can go ahead and just add whatever you want. So this is an outro for YouTube, I would assume. So for that, I written subscribe and I've changed the fonts too. So you can go ahead and just change it if you want, and you can give it any animation you want. So I just put it on the top left corner because I think that place is really fittable for the text. So next up, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and add your social medias. So I'm starting off with Twitter, and as you can see, I placed it right over here. And just like we did with the logo holder and the background, do the same thing for the logo, the Twitter logo. So let's go ahead and add this custom animation. And as you can see, if you move everything around, you will see that it looks pretty good and pretty smooth. Now let's go ahead and add your very own name, your Twitter name. So my Twitter name is Cinou. And when you place your text with the logo, it's going to look something like this. You can go ahead and just change it afterwards if you want. I think I'm pretty happy with this. So just like with Twitter, I did the same thing with Instagram, and as you can see, if you move it around, you will see that everything is looking pretty good because every single element on this project is moving a certain way, which gives this really cool feeling to it, which I think is actually looking pretty good. And also a quick tip, if you really don't like the color, you can actually change it afterwards. I don't know, I think I should really mention this because you guys might not like the color afterwards, because I really don't like this black and red combo, so I want to change it to blue and black. I think this looks pretty good, but you know, just a side note, you can actually change the color after you made your whole animation, which is a pretty cool thing. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, like it down below. Also leave a comment, let me know what you think about this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.